In the age of satellites and drones, why are countries like China, Russia, and the United States using balloons for military and strategic purposes? Balloons have been used for military purposes since World War II and have evolved to suit various requirements. Balloons can operate at altitudes of 24,000 to 37,000 meters, well above commercial air traffic, making them an effective and quiet option for aerial reconnaissance. While effective, surveillance satellites are expensive to develop, integrate, and operate, making balloons a cheaper and more viable option. Drones have been successful in military aerial reconnaissance, but balloons have advantages, such as the ability to fly higher and more quietly. The use of balloons in modern warfare can be seen in recent events, such as the alleged spy balloons reported above the United States and the use of similar balloons by Russia in its war with Ukraine. The balloons can be equipped with intelligence equipment or reflectors to gather information on the enemy. Advancements in technology have allowed companies to modify balloons for longer missions powered by solar energy and equipped with advanced intelligence gathering equipment. Balloons can be deployed with a shorter window than satellites, making them a quicker and more efficient option. While drones have the advantage of firepower and dropping heavy ammunition, their noise and limited altitude make them more detectable than balloons. Balloons provide a unique advantage for military strategy as they can operate at higher altitudes and remain undetected for longer periods, giving military strategists more time to plan their next move. While some may view balloons as outdated technology, their effectiveness in modern warfare cannot be denied. As countries continue to develop new strategies for warfare, balloons may play a larger role in future conflicts. Balloons may be an old technology, but they remain a tried and tested option in modern warfare. If you like the video, please do subscribe and follow us for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.